Woodrow Wilson once said, there must be not a balance of power, but a community of power. Not organized rivalries, but an organized peace. To add to this, there also must be an organized society, an organized charity, a better India, and a better pro-poor world that understands the issues related to poverty, impoverishment, and marginalization. But it's possible only if people who have the status, capacity, and inclination to create a movement come together, get involved with the cause, and take a stand strongly to bring about change for the better. Each of us has the power as a responsible citizen to bring about change. Now is the time we went from doing charity from the mind to doing charity from the heart, in mind, body and soul. The holistic concept of Daan with Tan, Man and Dhan. And that is the reason why Karma Mitra, a fundraising and campaigning product, was born. Though what is good is that not only do Indians believe in charity, they also give. But they give sporadically or to religious institutions and people at random who may not always be the best beneficiaries of our largesse. Who we readily want to give to our children. As noble as the thought itself is, it's no good teaching someone how to run without teaching them how to walk first. Similarly, it's impossible to aspire to a better world by just educating children without attempting to rectify the other problems around them and their communities at the same time. The challenge we faced at ActionAid India was to convert the skeptical and make them understand the concept of philanthropy for social justice, where we not only work for the upliftment of children, but also the communities that they belong to. Communities like the Dalits, the tribals, manual scavengers, commercial sex workers, HIV-positive people, the homeless, riot-affected victims and the disabled. Given that Indians primarily donate on impulse and emotional provocation, the donor base for social giving in our country stands at approximately 2 lakh people. Compared with the 3 crore people who pay substantial taxes, which is roughly 3% of our population. We stand on the precipice of a 3,000 crore opportunity for the development sector and the communities which it supports, if more of this 3 crore people start giving 1,000 rupees every year. An interesting fact that we realized at ActionAid India was that when we do give in India, it's done at an impersonal level and without involvement of any kind. We seem satisfied to know that we have spent our money, but would not spend the time to ask for accountability on the part of the charity we have happily donated to. We want to be the first to change that. We will not just send you newsletters or fact sheets, nor will we just weigh you down with speeches and cumbersome reports. What we will do is take you to the project site where your money is invested. Here the very people your money is benefiting would tell you how you have made a difference in their lives. It is what we have termed as live reporting, unedited, unabridged and absolutely transparent. As you get to hear it first person from the communities. Karma Mitra is based on the philosophy that if you do good things, you should get good things back in return. A first for the country, it is essentially a donor loyalty program promoted to DSAs who otherwise sell financial and investment products. Investing in the movement to make a just and caring society would also get you the chance to network further through our multi-level giving and help promote the rights of the marginalized communities that we work with. So, we request you to come and make a difference. Come and join the effort to make it a caring world. Come, be a Karma Mitra and enjoy the joy of giving and its rewards.
जिंदगी कितनी खूबसूरत है, कितनी खुशियाँ कितने रंग, इतने सारे मौसम, एहसास खुले आसमान का, हर कदम पर कोई साथ, सर पर कोई बोझ नहीं, दिल में कोई डर नहीं, जिंदगी कितनी खूबसूरत है.
It is a fact that human mind is conditioned to believe and accept what it wants to and ignore what disturbs it. We just saw two sides of the same coin. Both are true. It's just that our perception of the same situation are different. A set of words may evoke happy memories in our mind, sitting in our comfortable homes. And yet, it takes on a whole new meaning for someone on the edge of starvation. We can love the heavy rain and burst into a joyful song. And another can be standing terrified, looking at his house being washed away in the torrential flood. Why is it that these other people can never be seen? Why is it that to us they are invisible?
30 years ago, we realized that all it took to recognize these invisible and unheard people was the courage to step out into that rain and make the effort to look. Since then, we've managed to make a small difference to a lot of lives in many ways. We took it on as a motto that it is not charity but justice that is wanting in the world. So who are we? We are a movement called ActionAid India, a part of the ActionAid Alliance operating across 40 countries and working in India since 1972. We work with an agenda of helping to build a just and humane world for disadvantaged communities. Our emphasis lies in empowering people and communities to build their own destinies and secure justice, dignity and a better life. We actively partner communities for a better tomorrow. Some communities that you may not have even heard about or seen.
हमनी के अपना लइकन के भूख के जिए के सिखावता नहीं जा. पेट दरता तब मुँह सहर लगल स मुँह से कोड़ कोड़ खाए, पकावे लगल स खाए लगल स. जो दिन कार लाल बा तो दिन तो खोज के खाता लो. आज जब नहीं कार लागी तब का करी लो, उहे करवन करी लो. मुँह से कोड़ी लो, पकाई लो, खाई लो. यही सब मुँह सहर ना धरा गल मुँह सहर हम.
A caste on the lowest rung of the Dalit society, the Musahars are considered the untouchable within the untouchables. Some of the most ostracized people on the eastern borders of UP, Nepal and Bihar, their extreme poverty and the complete denial of their basic human rights have now led them to a pitiful condition of living off whatever they can.
दिक्कत हमनी के घर के, मरई के आ पेटे के. आज खाना रहित पूरा तो तनी खाइल जाए, तनी पानी पियल जाए, तनी छाहे बैठल जाए. नइखे मिलत तो का कइल जा, तना से मर जाइल जा, गोली लगा दिहल जा.
बाबा कार कर तो मिलेगा, नहीं कार कर तो बस कर नहीं जा. भूख लगा तो पानी पिए नहीं जा.
कितना पानी पी के कितना सब रही हैं, को दिन है पानी पी के भूखे सब मर गए ना.
भूख का मारे रोई लो तो अब करे जबा नहीं काट के दे दे तो हम लोग संतोष रखा जा.
समझा का समझाओ लाई, समझा जे बबगा ना बाटे ना खाई ले सबूर कर. नहीं बता कहाँ से आने चोरी करते जाए ले नहीं, और चोरी करे कहूँ मिली नहीं, केहू घर मांगला मिली नहीं. आ चाहे कितनो छातिए पीटा लगी, हमरा तो कहाँ से खियावा लाई.
भूखे मर जाए लेकिन भीख ना मांगे जाए.
Being able to feed one's child is the single most important goal that a parent aspires to. The Musahas don't even have that luxury. They find themselves competing either with technology or against nature herself. Technology that leaves them hungry and nature that leaves them thirsty.
नुकसान यह बा जे दोसरैया रउआ खेत काटत रहनी है लिया खात रहनी हो अब रउआ का 5 से कटवा ले तनी तो हमके कहाँ मिल आ कहाँ खाए
अपने खेत में महाराज थोड़ी देर बटलो बा तो तेरी बात जाके देखी ना पानी बा कहीं इतना बा कहीं इतना बा थोड़ी देर मजूरी धतूरी जुटा के आ कमा के बोलो जाता तो गंगा माई ले जाता।
When everyday life is a battle to survive, few people care about dignity or the lack of it. Although we may argue that dignity is the prerogative of all, and that is what differentiates humans from lesser animals. But dignity is not an exercisable option for members of the world's oldest profession, commercial sex workers.
काय को शर्म रहता? काय को शर्म भाई? शर्म का बात नहीं है। बाहर लांगा छोड़ने के बाद में शर्म का बात का कपड़ा खोल लेंगे बाद में।
వృత్తిలో ఉన్నప్పుడు ఏమనిపించలేదు కానీ మా వాళ్ళు తెలిస్తే బాగోదని భయం వేస్తుంది.
అప్పుడంటే బాధ మరి ఇలాంటి పిల్లల్ని ఎలా పెంచుకుంటావు తాయిసి వచ్చి అనేసి అప్పుడు ఎప్పుడైతే కలిసి ఇలాంటి పని చేసిన తర్వాత అప్పుడు ఈ పని చేసుకొని బతుకుతున్నాం పిల్లలు పెంచుకొని.
ఇష్టం లేదు కానీ బతుకుదేరు కోసం
అంటే ఒక్కొక్కళ్ళు వచ్చి అంటారు నువ్వంటే నాకు ఇష్టం నేను ఉంచుకుంటా ఉండు అంటారు. వాళ్ళు ఒకసారి వస్తారు 2 సార్లు వస్తారు మళ్ళీ తప్పుకుంటారు. ఇంకొకళ్ళు వచ్చి అదే మాట చెప్తారు.
ఎవరన్నా ఛాయం చేస్తే కంచి బయటకు వచ్చేస్తాను ఈ వృద్ధులంచి.
तुम लोग पैसा दिएंगे तो हम दूसरा काम कर लेती, दुकान लगाती, नहीं तो पाल बेल बेचती, कमा लेती, चुपचाप बैठती. तुम लोग 3-2 बार आया पूछ के गया, कुछ करने वाला नहीं है, देने वाला नहीं है.
మామ నేను బాగా ఇష్టపడుతున్నాను.
At ActionAid India, we work to empower these women to be able to make a choice. The choice of realizing their true worth and realizing that they too have rights. The right to say no, the right to work without fear, and the right to protect and care for their children. And most importantly, the right to be physically safe, a right that is denied today to a minority of people within Gujarat.
Events of February 2002 left most of us feeling ashamed and disturbed. But for those victims who actually had to face the insane violence, for them it was much worse. It left behind a trail of devastation and desperation. Lakhs of families lost their home, their livelihood, their dignity, and their hope.
सत्ताईस तारीख को ऐसा हुआ कि गुदरे में गाड़ी जली थी और सब टोले आ गए मुसलमान को खलास करने के लिए. इन लोगों ने हमारे साथ दगे से वार किए और फिर घर हमारे जलाए और इधर पुलिस को बोलने जाते थे हम तो पुलिस वाले भी हमारा सुनते नहीं थे और उल्टी वो हमारे ऊपर गोली चलाती थी. किधर भी हम जाने का हमारा कोई चारा नहीं था, सिर्फ खुदा सिवा ही.
दुख तो हुआ ना बहन, पहला ना कर तो मेरी जिंदगी तो कचरा हो गई बहन. इसकी मौत हो गया होता तो अच्छा.
जैसे समझ लो मुर्दा ही है मेरे सामने, ये मेरी बाइडी। अब उसको देख के ना मेरे जी जलाने का है ना।
बहुत क्या करता दिखेगा, ये भी तुम्हारी करियो। बुआ पाती तो छोड़ दो पण छोड़ियो ना, लोग एवा काफर होता मार तो विचार कर दबदब मारे ना उचकी नीचे नो के।
बड़ा लड़का था 11 साल का और 9 साल का छोटा सा लड़का था, उसको जिंदा जलाया, मेरी बच्ची को जिंदा जलाई, मेरे सबको माथा वहां जाने को मत।
ये हादसा के बाद 2-3 महीने हो गए तो हमारे घर पुलिस चालू हो गई। हमने बोला क्यों पकड़ते हो, तो क्या वो डब्बा सिलगाया है तुमने, यूं कर करके औरतों को भी डंडे डाले, साले बेंचो तो घर में घुसे ने ऐसी खराब गालियां बकते थे, ऐसी धमकियां पुलिस दे। घर आके बहुत हैरान परेशान करती थी, हमारे दरवाजे सब तोड़ डाल, हमारे खाने का घर में नहीं होता था, वो सब ऐसे नीचे गिरा देते थे, मेहनत कर करके हम खाते थे। क्या मालूम है पोटा, हमारे कोई मालूम नहीं है क्या है पोटा।
हमारे 3 बेटे अंदर सो रहे थे, पुलिस वाला ने आके ने ऐसा उठाया ने कोटिया पकड़ के बाहर निकाला इस तरह से। मैंने बोला साहब ये तो मेरा लड़का है, हम तो कुछ भी नहीं जानते कि स्टेशन पे क्या हुआ, हमको क्या मालूम बेटा। तो क्या अम्मा चाच फिक्र मत करो, शाम को छोड़ जाएंगे बड़े साहब को मुंह दिखा के। तो अभी तक उनके बड़े साहब नहीं आए।
कोई गुनाह कराए तो अपने को ना लगे, तो कोई गुनाहवीन कसूर भी बिगर कसूर के इस तरह से पकड़ गए तो ना लगे 1.5 साल अंदर रख के हमको मरेला सोपा में। मेरे भाई इतने छोटे है, अब हमारे मेहनत करके खाने के दिन है, हमारा आगे पीछे कोई नहीं आएगा। बॉबी याद आवे तक घंटे का दो भाई आगे थे छोटे आगे, 2 भाई भी बड़ा हुआ था, आप लोग को मेहनत करके खिला के चलो 5-25 रुपए की आशा होगी। किससे डरना, क्या करना है अब, क्या करना है अब, क्या आएगा हमारे पास तो तंग करेगा हमको।
पहले 50-60 मिल जावे और अभी तो 30-40 भी मुश्किल से आता है, क्योंकि अभी मियाँ भाई के पास धंधा कम है, और जो 5-50 बचाते हैं पेट को जला के, वो फिर साले लूट जाते हैं। ये तो समुदाय वाले अनाज नहीं देते हो तो अभी तो हमारे को बहुत देखा पड़ जाता है, पर इनका मालिक भला करे ये संस्था का कि उन्होंने हमारा काम चला दिया है।
शांति का पैगाम लेकर हम बनाएंगे अब एक ऐसा जहां, जिस जगह हो खुशी उस जगह हो हंसी, हम बनाएंगे अब एक ऐसा जहां। शांति का पैगाम लेकर हम बनाएंगे अब एक ऐसा जहां।
Events in Godhra left behind widows, orphans, destitute and disabled people. Then there are also those unfortunate few for whom events overtake them before they can react. The disabled from birth and the disabled by disease.
Battling against sometimes selfish and vicious family members. Their life is constantly challenged. From a simple everyday action like boarding a bus to holding down a job in a workplace, their life is fraught with discrimination. There's a huge stigma attached to the disabled people that leads to this cruel prejudice, which leaves them angry and frustrated.
Frustrated enough to leave home, to find themselves even worse off, on the streets, cold, hungry and penniless, like the millions of other homeless people on the streets of our cities.
22 नंबर की दुकान है, उसमें मिलती है स्टेशनरी की डब्बियाँ 22 रुपए में। पापा ने मेरा मम्मी को मार दिल से छोड़ के भाग गया।
मजबूरी यही है जो यहाँ फुटपाथ में सोता हूँ। घर द्वार तो आई नहीं, घर द्वार होता तो कोई आदमी फुटपाथ में सोता है क्या?
जहाँ सर छुपाने की जगह मिल जाती है वही मेरा घर है।
अब यही नहीं पता हम कहाँ से आए हैं और संभाला ही फुटपाथ में ही है। अपना पैसा अपना ही खर्च कर देता हूँ। नशा तो जैसे समाज के साथ बैठे बैठे नशा सीख लिया।
रिक्शा चला लेता हूँ, फव्वारे चुन लेता हूँ,
इधर उधर जाता हूँ, नशा वशा करता रहता हूँ, स्लोसन पीता हूँ।
बारिश हो जाए तो पुल के नीचे चले जाते हैं, ठंड होती है तो रजाई लेके सोते हैं किराए के।
ऊपर से कमाई होती है 150 रुपये कमाई हो जाती है।
तो क्या करते हो 150 रुपये?
स्लेसन पीता हूँ। गम बुलाने के लिए।
निशा हमको अच्छा नहीं लगता है। निशा करने के बाद ये छाती में दाग लग जाता है, आदमी मर जाता है। निशा करता है उसमें भी पैसे भी लगता है। निशा नहीं मत करो, एकदम अच्छा से रहो, पढ़ाई वढ़ाई करो। इंजीनियर बनो।
सपने क्या, जिसका कोई आगे नहीं पीछे नहीं, सपने क्या हो सकता है?
मेरी ख्वाहिश भाई कौन पूरी कर देगा, और क्या मेरे दिल में अरमान है।
अरमान है नशा छूट जाए तो बहुत अच्छी बात है, एक जिंदगी दूसरी मिल जाएगी हमको।
From the urban homeless to a certain tribe of people, for whom homelessness, hunger and illness is a way of life. These they face on a daily basis.
साहब घास ऐसे खाना पड़ा, अब खाने को कुछ नहीं है, क्या करे, उससे पेट क्या भरेगा साहब, घास तो है ही वो।
नहीं अब तो खा कर तो जहरीली हो जाता, पेट तो भरे, कैसे भरे?
गुजारा तो हो कैसे ना कैसे।
डॉक्टर के दिखाई थे, डॉक्टर ने भी नहीं जान दे रहे, तुम कौन के आदमी है, तुम्हें कूल आओ, पैसा दिलाऊँ तो इलाज कराऊँ, कैसे कराऊँ इलाज?
बड़े बड़े लोग बाग कहते हैं मेरे 5000 लग गए इलाज में, 6000 लग गए, 25 लग गए। अब बताओ ले, हमारे पास 25 पैसे ही नहीं है तो बस मर जाते हैं।
डॉक्टर के चले जाते हैं, दवाई गोली दही भगा देते हैं। अब बेटियाँ पैसा दिला हुआ तो ले जा, खा ले जाए। रात के समय में ऊँग नहीं लगा, जाके मारे, खा पाते हुए मर गई के बच रही।
Considering that in India we have some of the most progressive legislation in the world for the protection, upkeep and shelter of indigenous people, the timid Seheria people find themselves at the mercy of fate and little else. So it's up to people like you and us to make fate smile on their weathered and tired faces.
Actually, I was admitted in Kalinga Hospital, Bhubaneswar. There they had the check and they told me that you are having HIV.
हमने पता नहीं कैसे गलती कर दी है, तो हुआ पता नहीं गाड़ी देती है मन अभी तक तीर फोड़ दिया हमने, नसीब खराब कर दिया, मरने का डर लगता है और वो मरना पड़ेगा क्योंकि इसका कोई इलाज तो है नहीं, जिंदगी मांगते हैं, जिंदगी मांगते हैं, जिंदगी की दुआ मांगते हैं।
Now that you've seen a small number of those invisible people who are definitely a part of our lives, now it's up to you. You may still ask, but what can I do? Or you can get up and say, yes, I can do, I will do.
ActionAid's philosophy is that you and us can together move mountains. We can together create a just, caring and humane society. We can help these marginalized communities fight for their right to live a life of dignity and pride. Each one of us can make a small change and keep a flame of hope alive for millions of unseen people. To be able to do any of this, we need funds like any NGO. But more importantly, we need you. So we at ActionAid India present you a unique opportunity to contribute in creating a legacy for a better world by joining the Karma Mitra community.
Why the Karma Mitra community? Because it's a community of like-minded and socially responsible people who believe that it is not charity but justice that is wanting in the world. Karma Mitra is a completely transparent and accountable donor loyalty program. It is based on the philosophy that when you do good, you should get good things in return. The Karma Mitra membership is not only for you but also for your partner and family, an effort in creating a legacy that we can all be proud of. By investing a little time and money, the Karma Mitra community will be able to avail the following tangible benefits. So all we ask of you is to come and join the Karma Mitra community and spread the joy of giving.
શું તમે કર્મ મિત્રના સાથે જોડાશો?